Hey guys, a couple of people have been reaching out and letting me know that the Luka bot is getting a little bit out of control. It's now above 2,000, so I'm going to take this moment to play it. I'm actually going to turn off the eval bar so that I can get the full 3 crowns for this one. And hopefully we can still beat it. I should be able to now, but if I wait too much longer, it's probably going to get too strong. So I'm going to go ahead and try to beat it now. So here we go. Let's play e4. He plays e5. I'm going to play just something kind of not too crazy, just knight to f3, bishop to c5. Okay, interesting move. I'm not actually sure if I can get away with taking this. I feel like this is a crazy gambit. I don't know if it's good for black. Should we take it and see what happens? I think we can. I think we actually can. Yeah, he's trying to do like some sort of, it's almost like a Stafford gambit, but it's not quite because the knights aren't out. We'll trade. We'll just trade and defend. I think we can just defend here and be okay. So I'm just gonna play real solid. D3. So I do have to watch out. Maybe there's a better way to do this. Yeah, I think D3 is fine. I think D3 is okay. So we'll do that. He's going for the checkmate, but I can defend that a couple of different ways. Let's think about what the best way would be. So there's queen to e2, and then I could kick the queen out later. If he plays bishop g4, I believe I could just take it, check, the king can run over, and I would be happy with that. So I'm not worried about bishop g4. I think I will do queen to e2. Okay, wait, did I just miscalculate something? He's going to take here. I'm going to go over. It's just a free piece. Yeah, it's just a free piece. I don't know what the bot is doing. I wasn't expecting that from a 2,000 rated bot, honestly. Unless I'm missing something. I don't think so. I think that was a big mistake. G5? I'm sorry. What? What? What is this bot doing? Okay. Well, I think we could, I mean, we could probably just go back and defend. I got my piece and I'm happy. I don't think there's any reason to do anything else, really. Yeah, okay. And now I can just probably develop. I'm up a piece. Should be pretty easy. Luka still needs some training. Let's go bishop e3 and force a trade here. Remember, when you're ahead material, trading is good. So I'm going to do that. And I'm going to go ahead and castle queenside. It seems like a pretty safe place. And now we just need to develop our extra piece. So how about g3? And we'll just put it over here. Seems pretty good. All right, I'm going to offer a queen trade. I'm happy to trade queens since I'm ahead. And I will take it. It does fix his pawn structure, but I'm okay. A piece is a lot to go into an endgame. And so, I'm pretty happy with this. I could put the knight in there. The only thing I would be concerned about is, does my knight have a chance of getting trapped? But no, I don't think so. So I think I will play knight to d5. All right, perfect. So now we got the extra bishop, and we can trade off the rooks, and it's pretty straightforward. Let's bring the king up as well. Active king is important, so I'll just take a moment to do that. It assists with this file if I need help there, and I'll start attacking things. I think we can... We'll start with this, and then we'll probably double up the rooks on the open file. Perfect. Okay, here we go. I can force another trade. I'm going to do it. And perfect. That's makes my life super easy. All right. So I just need to make a path for my king. Probably just c3 is okay. We'll take, okay. It's tripled pawns, which aren't awesome, but it does open up a path for my king to get in. And so I'm fine with that. All right, let's go. Let's go up. Let's come over here and start taking these guys. Okay, let's put the bishop in the center. Take the pawns and get a queen. Just push this one. He's just giving away all the pawns. All right. He's going to try to go and stop it. That's okay. Then the king will be stuck over there, which is fine with me. And now I can... I mean, there's a number of ways. Oh, actually, I didn't see that, but it's okay. I'm going to take this and probably just do... Or actually, no, I'll just do this now. We'll just go like this. So that was pretty easy. I don't know what was going on with the opening there. He just kind of gave me that bishop for free, which was weird. But anyway, let's see. Where is the checkmate? Here, there. Guess I don't have an immediate checkmate. This should do it. All right, so we did it. We got our 3 crowns. 2017, he seems to be going up pretty quickly. So I don't know. We might have to keep an eye on this Luka bot, and I'll keep you guys updated. See you next time. Stay sharp. Play smart. Take care.